Hello and welcome to the Food Effective Life Roadmaps area. On this page, you'll find our brand new Food Effective Life roadmaps for healthy eating, cooking, and where food comes from. On the page, you'll see an interactive version of each roadmap. On these interactive versions, you can hover over an age phase or one of the key facts along the roadmap, click through, and you'll find more information and key resources related to that key fact or age phase. We have 3 different roadmaps on this page. We have healthy eating all the way from 3 to 16 years. We have cooking, and we have where food comes from, which also now includes key facts around sustainability. You can also download interactive and print versions of each of the roadmaps. The main purpose of the roadmaps is to help schools audit their current curriculum, plan future curricula, and take a whole school approach to food teaching and learning. They're there to provide a visual representation of the Food Effective Life education program, and therefore the content of our website as well. It's also useful to show pupils their food learning journey all the way through school.